Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody songs. This is the Earl of Errol, which can be found on page 30 in the book. You can find the song for free at my website at ukestuff.info, no strings attached. Elizabeth allows it to be there for free use and free download. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the song on low G GCEA ukulele, as this collection was originally arranged with low G in mind. Then I'll do a tutorial on low G GCEA ukulele, but then I'll end the video by also doing a demonstration on high G GCEA ukulele, because it will work, and also on Baritone DGBE ukulele. If you're going to play on baritone, you just ignore the written notes and you just play the tablature. Now, Elizabeth just provides the melody as the written notes, but you have to ignore that and literally just look at the tablature, which will work on baritone ukulele. If you find that you like chord melody, you can go to my website at ukestuff.info, and not only will you find Elizabeth's work there, but you'll also find links to my work, works by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay, his uke education, as well as to the website of the late ukulele Mike Lynch, although those are paid resources. I also have 3 books of chord melodies available for sale. You can find those at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. And finally, if you'd like to support the work that I'm doing here on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the Uke Playlongs channel and the Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Okay, let's do a tutorial on the Earl of Errol. We're going to start with the 3rd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string, full F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, C7 chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, full F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, C chord. C chord again. 3rd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, full F chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string open, C chord. Ring finger jumps over to 2nd string, 3rd fret, play just the 2nd string, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, 2nd string. Then you're going to play part of a B flat chord. 1st finger plays the 2nd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And the ring finger plays the 4th string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 3rd string. Play strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret. 2nd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. That happens again. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, make the D minor chord, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string, strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string open, then put the 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, play strings 4 and 3. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, that B flat chord again, strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string, strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Happens again. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, D minor chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 3rd string, strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string open, and then strings 4 and 3. 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, that B flat shape again, strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string. Now, this rhythm is a little bit different than in the previous times. Strings 4 and 3, Third string open, third string second fret, and then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Third string open, third string second fret, second string open, strings 4, 3, and 2 of the F chord. And that's the Earl of Errol on low G, G, C, E, A ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of the Earl of Errol, one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody songs that, again, you can download for free at ukestuff.info. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.